Hi guys, we're here now at Pink Sisters. See, the whole area is colored pink. They said that the nuns here are praying 24 hours. Oh my god, non-stop. So we're just here roaming around, checking, and still in Baguio City. We need to buy some candles to offer. Mm, maybe if you have prayer request or something. So let's light it up and the nuns will pray for it. We're going inside now. Bye!